Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure your phone is unlocked and has at least 20% battery so the process won't interrupt. Now open Settings and tap Accounts or Users and Accounts. That search bar speeds things up. You want to see each account listed, such as Google, Samsung, or Exchange. Once visible, you're ready to tap the primary account you'll modify. This first step moves you straight into Account Controls, where Auto Sync options live. Once in the account screen, tap Account Sync or Sync Account to reveal individual sync items like Contacts, Calendar, and Gmail. You should toggle off the specific items you don't want syncing. If you prefer, turn off the main sync account switch to stop all automatic sync for that account. Make sure to repeat the same steps for any other accounts on the device. If you prefer a single control, use the Global Auto Sync Data option under Accounts to switch everything off at once. To finish, confirm your changes by checking the last synced timestamps under each account. Then restart the device to ensure system services pick up the new settings. If automatic sync still occurs, clear the cache or data for the Google or Account app in App Settings, or temporarily remove and re-add the account to reset sync permissions. One tip: if an app forces sync, disable its background data or uninstall updates before.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.